Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today I'll tell you how you can create a user account for your family member, for your child, or for your friend with Microsoft account or without Microsoft account. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, type user and you will get add, edit, or remove other users. So once you click on that, a new window will appear soon. Now here I can see family and other users, your family, other users. So if you click on add a family member, it will ask for the Microsoft account. And if you do not have a Microsoft account, it will ask you to create a Microsoft account. Right, so here you can do that. Else, if you do not want to create any Microsoft account, you can simply click add someone else to this PC. And once it is opened, click on this I don't have this person sign in information. Here it's asking for user phone number, get a new email address, or add a user without a Microsoft account. So I'll select that. Now here you can give a name who is going to use this PC. So let's say if I want to give a name to it, I'll just mention the name. And if you want to enter a password, you can enter the password, which is a good thing. Here it will ask you to enter some security questions in case if you want to reset the password. So once this is done, you can simply click on next and a local account will be created. Now if you click on that and click on change account type, you will find standard user or administrator. So if you want this account to have a administrative rights, like if you want this user to install or make changes to your computer, you can select administrator, or you can simply let it standard user and click on OK. Standard user will be able to do everything which a administrator can. It will not be able to make any changes or install any application. So once you select the account type, just click on OK and you have created the user account. Now once you restart the computer, you will get this option, the new user account as well, to log into. If this video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.